Okay, guys, we're gonna try to get some votes for Lew-Port for the weather machine. Maybe we could get it over to the IEC building one of these days. So today you're gonna try to get as many votes as you can after you take your Castle Learning quiz. So the way we're gonna do this, you go to wkbw.com. That's Channel 7 News's website. And up at the top left corner under menu, you're going to scroll down to weather, click on the plus, and you're going to go down to weather machine, click on that. And once you're here, you can scroll down, you're going to see click here to vote. And once you do this once, it's going to get easier. So choose your county. We're going to go to Niagara County. We're going to go to pick your school, which should be available now. We're going to go to Lew-Port. And then today's weather word. So what you're going to have to do to find the weather word is somebody's going to have to get on Twitter. When you go to Twitter, you're going to look up at Andy Parker TV right here, at ANDYPARKER TV. And once you find his link, you're going to be able to see one of these. If you scroll down, here it is. You'll see today's weather word. For the weekend, it was soggy, but that will probably be different once you get into school on Monday. So the goal is to get at least one person onto Twitter to check at Andy Parker TV, and you should be able to find out that weather word. So for tonight, the weather word was soggy, so I would go to weather word, type in soggy. You only have to do this one time. And once you go to enter code 8344 and you hit submit, it'll tell you Lewiston Porter received 1 vote in the past hour. And now all you do is go click here to vote again. All the information is already plugged in, including the word. So 2364 is the next code. Hit submit, and you could just keep going and get as many votes in as you can. So I'm going to be paying attention to what time periods of the day we get these votes. I'm going to be looking for a certain amount of votes throughout the day, and if we could get up over 10,000 votes, I'm going to give everybody in each class actually 10 bonus points each student. So let's see what we could get done. So 4124. I'm going pretty slow here because I'm holding a phone too, but you can see that just in this amount of time, I was able to get 5 votes in. I can on average get about 200 votes in about 30 to 40 minutes. So we should, with 20 people in a class, be able to get a good 4,000 votes per class. And if you take a little time, maybe in lunch or study hall, if you have a little time that you're allowed to use your phone or your Chromebook, you could go on and post some more votes. So let's try to get as many votes as we can and catch up to some of the schools that got a head start on us. So have a good day, do well on that Castle Learning quiz, and get as many votes in as you can. We'll see you on Tuesday, guys.